Hey, it's Grant Town here. Today we're going to be identifying 3 eudicots and 3 monocots and labeling the different parts of a flower for each. So let's see how long it takes us to find them. Oh, well, it didn't take me long to find some plants. I promise I didn't go out and buy this. This hat just literally happened to be in my house. Anyways, so we have, looks like 4 different types of succulent plants here, one of which I was not able to identify, but I could identify 3 of them through some help through the internet. So we have these little guys right here, which, if I remember right, let's see, the common name is blue chalk sticks. Sounded kind of weird to me, but I'm not really a super plant guy. But anyway, I could tell they were monocots because they, they have the long leaves, and the veins all going in the same way. And that goes same for this aloe vera plant that we have over here. And these ones are called like, what is it? Elephant bush? Not sure why they're called elephant bush. But I looked on the back of these leaves and same thing, I looked really closely and I could see the veins all running in the same way on the leaf. Yeah, probably hard to see in the video. But yeah, so there are my 3 monocots right there. Now I'm gonna head outside and see if I can find some eudicots. So a little bit of searching and I happened to find this grapefruit tree here. Unfortunately, there are no flowers on the tree right now, but there are fruit. So that's kind of cool. But anyways, yeah, I was hoping that I'd be able to find some flowers on it so I could label the parts of a flower, but it doesn't have any. But this, like I said, grapefruit tree. It's a eudicot. I looked at the trunk and the leaves and the vein pattern and determined it's a eudicot. Same thing with this Benjamin ficus tree, I believe this is. It's a eudicot as well. See by the leaves. Now, let's see, what have we over here? Ah, yes. This is a sad excuse for an orange tree. Let's see. It appears to be a eudicot as well. Yeah, it needs a bigger pot. Anyways. I might have to go do some looking somewhere else to find some flowers. So after a little bit of searching, I did come across these flowers here that I was actually not able to identify exactly what they were, even after looking them up. I think they're probably some sort of genetically modified something or other, but they do appear to be eudicots. And after I kind of opened this one up so I could label the different parts, so I got the petals here, obviously, and I can't remember if we learned about this, but it's like it has like separate petals kind of, but it's also kind of just one giant big petal. It's like all connected. So I thought that was interesting. And then let's see, if you look inside here, the little things with the little yellow white tips, those are the pollen grains. And then in the middle of all those is the stigma. That one on the top there. Let's see, and obviously the style is that kind of neck part right underneath the stigma. And then I believe like the style on down to the bottom is all considered the ovary. But yeah, and then this might be too small for me to like rip open, but if we were to open it up on the inside, the ovules would be on the inside. And yeah, that's that one. And then right behind, actually, here, I'll just go over there. Alright, so I couldn't find out the exact name of this plant either. But these ones have very interesting flowers. So they have 5 petals, but I determined this plant was monocot because of its structure and its leaves that are long and appear to just have one vein running down the middle of them. Anyway, so I'm looking at these flowers. I'm going to try to open this one up a little bit. They definitely look different than the other ones I opened up. So this one has the petals, the pink petals along the outside. Oh, there it goes. And then it looks like, you know, the pollen's kind of all up at the top here. That little yellow fuzz, you know, those are the pollen grains. And then it's like, it appears that the like the style and the ovary and everything are like way down at the bottom. Look at that tiny little thing at the bottom. I don't know. I could be mislabeling it, but this one's a very interesting looking plant. It's like, yeah, super strange. And then, because at the very, very bottom, if I like pull everything apart, there's this little thing in there that kind of looks like it could be the ovule. So that's a really interesting one. The other flowers are bigger and like easier to tell. But yeah, those are the 2 flowers I found.